Working on an '07 Yamaha G29 that the dealer gave up on, so they gave it to me. I've got the rear end out because it was making some noise. Decided to take them out. I've got the rear end on the table, mostly disassembled. I've got this half in the trash can just to hold it, and there's actually some ball bearings floating around in there, tons of debris. Looks like someone replaced this bearing because there's still assembly grease in there, so someone didn't clean it out. And that bearing is what holds this gear, and it was running this gear, so that's where most of the debris came from. Here's the old input shaft. I got a new one just because someone forgot the O-ring, so it was leaking a ton, and that seal is discontinued. You can't even get it anymore. A lot of parts for this rear end is actually being discontinued. I think I might shy away from this year Yamaha altogether.